child Western lingua and her success is the culture. So today in this session we are just going to complete number. So as I have told you the what is noun, derivation of word noun, and what is number, derivation of number, and rest of the other rules in my previous video. So before watching this video, you should go and watch that video. The link is given in the description and you will get the link from there, and please go and watch this video, because when you will watch that video you will understand more in this session. So let's start this session, guys. Let's cheer up and we'll get ready to complete number. So in my first rule it is saying that there are at least 8 nouns. There are at least 8 nouns which can be formed plural by changing the inside vowel. Again I am repeating. There are only 8 nouns which are formed plural by changing their inside vowel. Okay? So if we take the example, then first example I would like to give you, that is foot. In foot, the plural of foot will what? Feet. In foot, you can see that I have just changed double O into double E, and I have over here I have changed the inside vowel of foot. And what is the inside vowel? Sorry, inside vowel is double O. So I have changed double O over here into double E. So the plural of foot will feet. Same like that, tooth, it will become teeth in plural. Mouse will become mice in plural. Dormouse will become dormice in plural. Man will become men in plural, and woman will become women in plural. Goose will become geese in plural. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are only 8 nouns that are formed plural by changing their inside vowel. I hope that you understand it well, and don't be ambiguous. It means don't be confused, because these are very much simple. Now let's move to our next rule. There are at least 3 nouns that can be formed plural by adding ren or en. Again I am repeating. There are only 3 nouns which are or that can be formed plural by adding ren or en. Some people do what? Just suppose I am taking the example child. So the plural of child is what? Children. When कुछ बच्चे ये करते हैं कि जब उनसे पूछा जाता है कि भाई आप child का plural बताओ, तो वो children को उसका singular समझते हैं और children में s add कर देते हैं. So when you will add s into children, then it will become definitely wrong, because child in itself is a singular and children in itself is a plural. So don't get vague in this. So just take the example. According to the rule, there are only 3 nouns that are formed plural by adding ren or en, ren or en. Just for example, child. Child will become what? As I have told you, children. Same like that, ox will become into oxen, because ox in itself is what? Singular, and its plural is oxen. Same like that, brother will change into brethren. Now let's move to our next rule. So what does next rule says? It says that there are some Latin nouns. Which ends in um. Again I am repeating. there are some Latin noun which ends in um. So that are formed plural by replacing into a. So there are some Latin nouns which ends in which can be formed plural by replacing into a. So what are the Latin nouns? So Latin nouns just like that. As we have all heard agenda. But I would like to tell you one interesting fact, that agenda is the plural of Latin noun agendum. So if we talk about the plural form of the agendum, so here you can see that agendum, AGENDUM. Just focus over here. AGENDUM, agendum. So here this Latin noun ends in what? So in the plural form of the agendum, it will become what? UM will replace with a. So it will become agenda. Same like that, bacterium will become bacteria. Maximum will become maxima, minimum will become minima, datum will become data, and momentum will become momenta. So these are the some Latin nouns which ends in and these are formed plural by replacing into a. Here I would like to tell you one thing, that in English or in English literature or in English, only the plural form of agendum and datum are used. It means only the plural form, agenda and data. These two nouns, the plural form of the agendum and datum is used into English. So let's move ahead. So what does next rule says? Next rule says that there are some noun. Again there are some Latin noun which ends in There are some Latin noun which ends in that can be formed plural by adding s. In our previous rule, what we have studied? We have studied that there are some Latin noun which ends in and that can be formed plural by replacing by a. But here there are some Latin nouns which can be formed plural by adding s to the and that always ends in again in So let's understand it by example. So here are the list of the Latin nouns. First one is album. Here you can see that album is ending with what? But over here we have not changed into a. We have just added s after Okay, so these are the Latin nouns which are formed plural by adding s to the So it will become like albums. So same over here, museum will become museums. Here you can also see that again we have add s. Asylum will change into asylums. Nostrum will change into nostrums. Auditorium will change into auditoriums. And decorum will change into decorums. Petroleum will change into petroleums. Forum will change into forums. Premium will change into premiums. Quorum will change into quorums. Stadium will change into stadiums. Harmonium will change into harmoniums. And gymnasium will change into gymnasiums. So these are the some Latin nouns, and it is very much important to learn this. If you will not learn this, I am not assured that you can clear any exam. So now let's move ahead.